feeling festive and Christmassy. Oh, hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. Today is Sunday and I messed up, you guys. So I've had like videos that I pre-filmed kind of to go up on Sunday so I wouldn't have to work on Sunday. And I edited a drive with me that I made with Sophie and Aubrey the other day. So I edited it on the train the other day, and it was just kind of a rough cut. I didn't complete it or anything. And I was supposed to upload that yesterday on private so it could go up today for Vlogmas Day 14. And I completely spaced it. Yesterday ended up being kind of a crazy day. So the video is like mostly edited, but it needs some finishing touches and I still need to upload it. But I was like, I'm not gonna stress about it. It's okay. I'll just finish it and post it Monday morning just so that there will be a day 14 and there won't be a gap. That was not really a necessary story, but it was on my mind. So today is Sunday and I'm all dressed and ready for church. Do you want to see my outfit? My room's kind of messy because of all the gift wrapping stuff everywhere. So I'm wearing this red flannel. I don't know where I got it from. I got it a couple years ago along with this gold pencil skirt, gold sequin pencil skirt. I think I got this off of Etsy or Amazon a couple years ago. I can't remember exactly from where. And then I'm just gonna wear these nude heels. But I'm feeling festive and Christmassy. I like to dress up all through the month of December whenever I can. So today's gonna be a fun day because I have a family Christmas party with my cousins and stuff. So that's after church. Ben's coming up right now. I'm so excited. So he should get here in a little bit and he's gonna come to church with me and then he's gonna come to the party. Oh, and I'm making a delicious chocolate peppermint cake, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, today's gonna be such a fun Christmassy day, you guys. I'm so excited. And
That's
learning
not a day.
how to sift.
This is a big day for me.
Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and far away. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. While shepherds kept their watching over silent flocks by night, behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and far away. Go
Hey.
tell it on the mountain.
What if I mess it up?
You might.
I'm scared. This is weird.
You want it touching the cake?
Oh.
Let's get a closer look here.
Oh no, it's dripping too far. Is it? Oh, that one's...
No, that's good. That's very good.
Thank you. Do you want to try your hand at it in a second?
No.
Hey, it's kind of working though. It doesn't look too bad.
Very nice. You did that in 3 minutes. Good job.
First drip ever. Now we gotta cover the top.
This should be the easy part.
Ooh, yum. You can stop filming for a little bit.
No, no.
Oh, okay. Good. Look at that.
Don't let it get the edge. Don't let it ruin your drip. And this looks like the Trunchable cake.
Trunchable.
The Trunchable.
It's not a lunchable Trunchable.
The Trunchable.
Over the hills and far away. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. That Jesus Christ
Good looking
is
cake.
born. That Jesus Christ
It is
is
good.
born.
Let's go.
We're in the car.
It'll work.
Give me the table. Alright.
Ready?
Just try hard.
Set. You have to try too. Go! My cake. Okay. I almost beat you.
You almost won.
I don't know why what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care.
I'm rejecting the birthday girl, Sophie.
Wow, that's true.
Do you want a birthday shout out? You're blurry. Yay, it's Kinsley's 16th birthday. What a babe. Hit her.
She went there.
Oh, teenagers. She's so happy.
We start?
Ooh, ooh.
Start.
Oh, cute.
Who's gonna start the singing? Hey, Chance, the singing.
Happy birthday to you, to you. This better be good.
No.
Oh, that was terrifying.
Cut it off.
What the heck?
Oh, it's empty.
Oh, cute. A car.
Do you have my test? I take my test card after running. Nice.
Kisses! Your first kiss. Used to be. That's why you take a picture before. Yeah. Okay, Ben, what'd you bring?
I can't tell you. It's a white elephant.
I wrapped it so I can show. He brought a good thing. It's a mug with like hot chocolate.
Are my socks in?
Yeah? Do you want to get both?
Sure.
I brought an onion. Great last minute gift idea. 1, 2, 3. That's what I got. She's got the onion.
Does anyone have anything they brought from their family?
She's so excited.
Are you holding a family?
Now we have
She loves
I feel like this isn't the gift.
She loves it.
Oh man!
She's so happy. Duct tape. I think this was Lincoln's doing. Stuck in my hand. Oh. There we go. Okay. Ah! Seriously?
I got a coin bank.
Pretty cool.
No.
Count your allowance in it. Oh, you're so tall.
Really tall. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Come in. Oh my. You survived. We're gonna go watch The Office.